financial mistakes so that you can learn and make your 40s awesome. The first financial mistake that you should avoid in your 20s, pick the right job. In anybody's 20s, you really don't need that much money. You're used to living off of a little bit of money because you're probably a student. So look for the job that's going to give you more opportunity. The money will follow later on. Another mistake was the way I use my free time. So when you're young, you have two things in your favor. You have stamina and you have the freedom of no responsibility. If you don't use your free time wisely, it will cost you money. Come home and work a little bit on yourself. The best way to make more money in the future is actually to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. The next financial mistake is controlling your credit card debt. If you want to learn more about compounding and how it can work for you, and you don't want to make the financial mistake of not using compounding for yourself and not having the credit card use compounding against you, watch this video right. If you have time on your side, compounding can grow your money exponentially.